Hello, my name is Salima Wheeler, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on understanding the cause and effect method. The purpose of this tutorial is to aid our students in how the cause and effect method works. One of the things that I've noticed in the classroom is that a lot of our students, when covering this method, have a problem determining which part of the sentence is the cause and which is the effect. And I'm hoping that after finishing this tutorial that they will have a better understanding of which is which. So once again, the problem is that most students have a problem determining what the cause is, while others are unsure of what the effect is. The first thing that I want to do is start off by defining what the word cause is, and of course what the word effect is. The cause in a sentence is the reason why something happens. The effect, on the other hand, is what happens because of the cause. One of the key things that we use to determine what cause and effect is in a sentence is we use signal words. And signal words often occur between the cause and the effect in the sentence. Examples of signal words are words such as since, so, thus, because, due to, therefore, if, then, consequently, and as a result. I have two examples that I want to use today to review with my students to give them an idea of what it is that they will be doing while they're working on the exercise that I have for them today. The first example that I have says that Raven made a score of 100 on her test because she studied really hard. Now in this sentence, what we need to do is make sure that we read the sentence carefully. And then, of course, we need to look for signal words. Now, I have coded this sentence so that we can determine what is what. And in this sentence, the word because is our signal word. So we have the word because, and if we focus on that word and see how it's used in this sentence, it will help us better determine what our cause is and what our effect is. So if we read the sentence, Raven made a score of 100 on her test because she studied really hard, it would help us determine that our cause is she studied really hard. And because she studied really hard, our effect is Raven made a score of 100 on her test. And the signal word in this sentence, of course, is because. Next example, we have a sentence that says Sally stayed up all night texting on her phone, so she was very tired the next day at school. Now when we look at this sentence, after having read it carefully, we look for the signal words. And in this sentence, the signal word is so. Okay, if we start there, so she was very tired the next day at school. Why was she very tired the next day at school? Because she stayed up all night texting on her phone. So when we look at the sentence, we know that her cause should be Sally stayed up all night texting on her phone. So her effect is she was very tired the next day at school. And the signal word in this sentence is the word so. Hopefully examples will better help our students understand what it is that they need to look for when they're reading their sentences in the exercises that we have planned for today. Common mistakes that I noticed that students make when working on any of these assignments is oftentimes students don't know the key terms that signal either the cause or the effect. So it's important to become familiar with the key terms, the signal words that help signal the cause or the effect in a sentence. And also, students assume that the cause will always come after the key term. And that isn't necessarily true, because in the two examples that I had, in one the cause came before and in the other it came after. So it could be vice versa in a sentence. The important thing is to read the sentence carefully, check for the key words, and then determine whether or not you're dealing with the cause or the effect in the sentence. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial for today, and I hope that it helps and benefits you in some way to better understand the difference between the cause and effect method. Thank you very much.